everyone. Do you have a view of nature? Yeah, I do. So, let's take a look closely, shall we? Alright. It's like all deep in there. Very deep. Wow. Great picture. Now, if you listen closely, I'm sure you can hear some wildlife. Alright. I'm sure you can hear some. Ooh, man. It is like so dense. You know what I'm saying? So dense. Wow. You know, I can like hear the birds all chirping in the background. Wow. That's something worth hearing. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Yeah. Hear a lot of the birds chirping. Wow. That's something. Now, let's take a look at like this tree. All right. Wow. This tree is interesting. It's like a stump there. Wow. Now, I'm gonna like take a look at like the inside. All right. Wow. It's like so hollow and filled with like root and stuff. Wow. There you go. Perfect little place for like animals. That's what I'm saying. It's like a perfect little place. Wow. The inside of a tree looks interesting. Wow. Imagine seeing the inside of a tree. There we go. Completely hollow, is what I'm saying. Very hollow. Wow. Can like, you're nothing though. Neat, huh? Very neat. Yeah. That's like what a tree sounds like. Alright? That's what like one sounds like. Neat.